guess we're already recording. I'm just off in La La Land. I just wanted to check in. I'm tired. February's been a month, not a great month. We've just had a lot going on, a lot going wrong. I do have some content filmed that I just have not edited for this channel or the other channel. I have quite a bit for the other channel, in fact. Some of it's probably outdated and irrelevant at this point and can just get deleted. Winter's been very, very rough. Home, work, everything. And I just have not had the time, the focus, anything. And there's just been a lot going on. Let's see, my Facebook got shut down. Somebody took it over. Like, Meta didn't realize that I couldn't be both in New Jersey and China at the same time while I was in neither. Obviously, I was in New York. And they completely shut me down. So I am currently fighting with Meta to get that back reinstated, hopefully. I'm going to be very, very, very angry if I lose my entire Facebook permanently. And once you start, you have 180 days. And you have to be blue check verified through Meta to even get support to work towards it, which, of course, you have to pay for monthly. So they're going to drag it out as long as humanly possible. So, yeah, I'm not terribly happy about that. So if you've noticed I'm missing from Facebook, that's why. I feel kind of disconnected from the world. Like, I don't have... all of my local news comes from Facebook groups. Just connecting with friends, family, whatever. So yeah, we're not really happy about that. And it's just been a cold, dreary winter. This room's been shut off most of the winter. Just trying to keep the rest of the house warm enough to, survive. So I really have not been inclined to come in here and work. If I ever get the content on the other channel uploaded, you'll notice that I'm doing a lot of that at my kitchen counter. So, just because it's warmer and toastier in there. But I do have, I sublimated a cup a long time ago, and I was like, oh, I'm going to finish this with epoxy. That video has been done for probably 2 months, but not edited and uploaded. So I'm going to try to get to that today, the editing part at least, and get that done. I started this snow globe tumbler not that long ago, actually in February, but I have not had time to finish it. So this is on my list today to try and get finished so I can get this uploaded. I do have another snow globe I want to do. I still haven't solved my epoxy problem, and with everything else stacking up, that's just not in the budget right now. I'm going to get through this room, though, figure out what epoxy I have that I can use, see if anything will work right now, and try and get every single cup that is finished, partially finished, whatever, completed. So we might end up with some, more studio-style vlogs. I also need to get this room cleaned up because I haven't done a big, I usually reset the whole room after Christmas. And that hasn't happened yet. So, yeah, I just wanted to update real quick. There's just been a lot going on. A lot. I had really good intentions of, building my TikTok and getting my other channel monetized because I was right on the edge of being able to do that, and I probably lost all traction there, and not putting any new content here. I'm probably in danger of losing monetization here, so that'll be great. But yeah, and home projects have just kind of been put on hold with winter. Like the table we bought to refinish has so much varnish on the top that it really needs a coat of stripper, and I'm obviously not going to do that in the house, so that kind of got put on hold, and yeah, it's just been a lot. I've also been sick. I had the stomach flu, yay, So yeah, I'm here. I'm okay. I know some people have tried to reach out. Some people have tried to reach out through Facebook, and obviously I'm not there right now. So, yeah, I'm going to try and get at least one video up today or tomorrow and get the snow globe finished so that can get up. And I'd really like to work on some tumblers at some point here, but who knows when that'll happen. So, yeah. But I hope everyone's okay. Check it in the comments. Let me know how you're doing. And I will hopefully see you very, very soon.